continue. The National Assembly resumes its sittings tomorrow after a month-long recess. Top on its in-tray, the conclusion of the budget-making process for the coming financial year. Now, KTN News political affairs reporter Moremi Mwangi now tells us the National Assembly resumes at a time when the country has been locked in a series of corruption scandals, putting to question the seriousness of Parliament and its watchdog role.
With only 26 days to the end of the current financial year, the National Assembly resumes its sittings from a month-long recess, top on the in-tray being the 2018-2019 financial year's budget.
We expect the Chair of Budget and Appropriation Committee and all the committees of the House to have concluded their interrogation of the budget, and the Chair to table the budget estimates report of 2018-2019 latest Wednesday morning.
A critical stage which National Assembly Majority Leader Eden Duale says will allow legislators to debate the report for a week, to pave way for Treasury Cabinet Secretary Henry Rotich, who has to highlight his revenue-raising measures for the 2.5 trillion budget on the same day as his counterparts from the East African Community member states.
We have a tentative date for the whole of East African Community, that the budget of all the East African communities will be read on the 14th of June 2018.
In line with what is happening in the country at the moment, we have reduced drastically the budgetary allocation to NYS. And I think this is because NYS is considered to be facing what it is facing because we are putting huge allocations to that department without clear processes and procedures.
But also expected to dominate National Assembly sessions is the renewed war on graft, championed by President Uhuru Kenyatta, who recently struck a cooperation deal with opposition chief Raila Odinga, with Parliament's seriousness in its watchdog role, recently coming under scrutiny from none other than National Assembly Speaker Justin Muturi.
Tomorrow, after the opening of Parliament, I will be seeking a leave of the House to discuss corruption as a matter of public interest. It will only be fair that we bring it to the floor of the House.
I remember we have issues in Kenya Power. There are also issues in Kenya Pipeline and other parastatals. So we expect National Irrigation Board. There are issues.
If all of us together live by that spirit, and we are honest, and we are ready to fight corruption, then I think never before in the history of our country was this kind of unity in the war against corruption achieved.
Now, with a fresh vetting of senior government officials over graft expected to be completed in under 3 weeks, the coming financial year's budget no doubt tops Parliament agenda as the National Assembly resumes.